Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here and you're watching Tech Infinity. So a few days back I made a video on LG Velvet. Well, after that there has been some developments and new information regarding it. So let's have a look at this new information and what the upcoming smartphone may look like. First of all, at first I had thought that this smartphone would be a different direction for LG, and so it wouldn't have the LG dual screen. But according to a recent leak, it seems that it will be having support for LG dual screen accessory. Well, you could either love it or hate it, that's totally up to you. Everyone has a different opinion of it. Some people love it and some people think it is kind of useless because it's not truly foldable and it actually increases the bulk of the phone. So, LG Velvet, it is a redesigned smartphone from LG and LG is focusing a lot on the design of it. And that's probably one of the reasons why I thought it wouldn't really be coming with a dual screen case, because to flaunt that design you don't need to have a cover on, but the LG dual screen accessory would totally hide the appearance of this device, including these curves and the kind of amazing different tone colors. Now the company has shared the date for its unveiling, and company says that they will be holding an event on YouTube and Facebook on May 7th. So this device will be launching at May 7th. And because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the unveiling will be online. Now let's move on. LG said it will be a fashion show that boasts innovative designs. So you can get what you want from that. And we also had a video from LG Korea's YouTube channel, which clearly showed that this device will be having the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 5G, and it will be coming in 4 colors as you can see from the video, and it will have 5G support as I already mentioned. So basically to cut down on costs, because the Snapdragon 865 processor is very expensive and has drastically increased the costs for the smartphones, this device will be coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. And now there's more reason to believe that this smartphone will indeed be an AMOLED Full HD Plus panel. And as you can see here, it has kind of a tall aspect ratio and it looks pretty similar to the Xperia devices of the past. And as you can see here, they are calling the cameras on the rear as raindrop camera setup. So it basically appears as if a raindrop is falling down. And on the front you have the notch. And it's also called a teardrop notch, but that doesn't really matter probably. And apart from that, you could expect this smartphone to come in probably not too many variants, because the LG V60 only had one variant that was 8GB of RAM and 128 of gigs of internal storage. But LG probably would like to play around with the price of this particular smartphone, so it might end up launching this smartphone in 2 variants. So the lower RAM variant would have a lesser price, so I think it could start from 6GB of RAM, and probably 128 gigs of internal storage would definitely be on the cards for this particular smartphone. And you can expect the normal benefits that you get from LG smartphones. And as you can clearly see from the video, it has a headphone jack at the bottom, USB-C port, and it will have a dual speaker setup. And I hope they are retaining the hi-fi quad DAC, because that's amazing about what LG does. And that is just amazing because you have DTS-X surround sound as well as the hi-fi quad DAC for amazing audio experience. And apart from that, you will have the LG UI. You may love it or hate it, but to be honest, I think it's not really that bad, and the latest iteration looks pretty decent. It has been modernized a bit, but it still has those cartoony figures and colors. And so that's pretty much it for this video. If you like, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, the most important part, well, the pricing. We do not have any official confirmation about the pricing, but it seems that the smartphone will be priced somewhere around $500 to $550. And I think with the way that LG smartphone prices drop, that is actually a pretty decent price, because LG smartphone prices fall very fast. So even if it launches for $550, it will probably end up soon around the $400-$450 mark after launch. And I'm really looking forward to this device's launch. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.